First let's get grounded on AI in recruitment. So AI in recruitment refers to the integration of our artificial intelligence technologies, such as machine learning, natural language processing, and predictive analytics, and using that in the hiring process to automate tasks and improve efficiency. But it also enhances our decision making. So let me say that again. It enhances our decision making. It doesn't make the decisions for us. We really have seen how AI has revolutionized the recruitment and streamlining the process. But the one thing that we have done at IG is that we have put the human at the center of how we've embraced and implemented the technology. We use AI to help our recruiters to be more productive. We've helped streamline the process, as we heard Courtney talk about earlier, to try to do as much as we can to remove some of the more administrative tasks and allow our recruiters and our teams inside Insight Global to be just be more productive. And I love that within IG, we have used this with integrity. We've used this with a human as the focus, because we don't want to eliminate the humans. We cannot let the machines do all the work for us. We have to look at people, the behaviors, their competencies, how they're going to fit within a team dynamic, as I mentioned earlier. And a machine just can't do that for us. And so within IG, that's how we've embraced it.